Today we are going to learn these Nur English basic phrases. So let's start it from number one. Mama nak bossa. Mama nak bossa. You can simply say, Mama, I am hungry. Mama, I am hungry. Mama nak bossa. Number two. Mama gora quen. Mama gora quen. You can say, Mama, I need food. Mama, I need food. Number three. Mama mosha kakwen. Mama mosha kakwen. Mama, give me food. Mama, give me food. Number four. Mama mosha kepiu. Mama mosha kepiu. Mama, give me water. Mama, give me water. Number five. Mama shirawanak. Mama shirawanak. Mama, I am thirsty. Mama, I am thirsty. I will read it one more time. Mama nagbosa. Mama, I am hungry. Mama gora quen. Mama, I need food. Mama mosha kakwen. Mama give me food. Mama mosha kepiu. Mama give me water. Number five. Mama shirawanak. Mama, I am thirsty. So you can keep on repeating these phrases. It will help you keep on practicing every day. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to share it with others. Okay, thank you.